Alright guys, time for another update on my How to Webmaster YouTube channel journey. Thus far, been 300 days since I've got monetization. As of today, I have 4,247 subscribers. And let's look at some channel analytics. Here's the actual 30 days revenue. I earned about $450, and my views, let's go to my reach. So in the last 30 days, I got close to 50,000 views. So if every video I make barely gets less than 50 views in 24 hours, it doesn't matter. So my aim is not to go viral with every single upload. It's all about the search traffic through YouTube and through Google and other search engines. So don't lose hope when you upload new videos and you're not getting viewers. Just know in the long run, the new viewers will find you and your videos. Alrighty, so progress so far, $450 a month with 4,250 subscribers and about 50,000 views a month. And I'll update you guys again next month and see how that goes. Alright, thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more updates and tips and tricks on internet marketing. Okay, until next time, happy YouTubing.